Hi everyone, how's it going? It's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. Today is withdrawal day for Big Beans. Today is withdrawal days. If you've been following along with me, you know that I typically on Big Beans I rebake 6 days and then one day of the week I will withdraw. Okay. If you're not sure about what baked beans is, you can check my other videos on it. But simply put, it's a smart contract where the amount that you deposit, you earn up to 8% every single day on that amount. So you can check out my videos for more information on baked beans. But today is withdrawal day. So let me go ahead and do a live withdrawal for you guys. So today, I'm not gonna rebake. Today, I'm gonna eat beans. Okay. So if I take this figure 16.88, let me just refresh to see if it went up. Oh, 16.94, almost 17 BNB for the day. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's 7.6K, right? So 7,643 US dollars. And that's just for today, guys. I come back tomorrow, this same time, I have another 7.6K sitting there. So every single day, it just keeps on going, guys. So let me go ahead and withdraw today. I'm going to use change now to swap the BNB to BTC, and I'm going to dump it in crypto.com. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me just go ahead and do that. So I've got MetaMask open. This is how much BNB I got in MetaMask right now. Let me just go ahead and click on eBeans. Boom, confirm. All right. Let me show you how quick withdrawals are with this. How quickly you get your BNB. All right. And at the time of speaking right now, look at that. Boom. I got my withdrawals in there. So there's point zero there's a 3% dev fee that gets charged on that. So that's why I have 16.45 in there. But whoo, that is some nice cheddar. Some nice cheddar. All right, so let me go to change now because I want to go ahead and swap this BNB for Bitcoin. Ah, fucking spell today. All right, so change now is what you use to swap one crypto to another. So let me just go ahead and set it up here. I'm gonna swap BNB BSC, BNB BSC. So very important that you do that. You click on BNB BSC, and I'm gonna swap it for Bitcoin. Okay, or yeah, let me just swap it to BTC here. All right, so how much of it do I want to swap? Let me do 16.44 because I'll leave a little bit in there for gas fees, right? So 16.44. Let's do that. 16.44 BNB. We're gonna swap it to BTC. All right. So this is how much BTC I'm getting. I'm gonna click on exchange, enter wallet address. So let me go ahead and put that in here. All right. Next, confirm. All right. So MetaMask is integrated with ChangeNow .io. So I'll leave my ChangeNow link in the description in case you want to swap some coins yourself. But that's what I use to swap one crypto to another crypto. So I click unlock MetaMask, and I'm just gonna click on deposit. Boom. You see my MetaMask comes up, and I can just click on confirm. Perfect. And I do that over there. And then it says deposit. All right, so let me see if my MetaMask is done here. It says pending. So I'm just waiting for that to go over. Just give that a second. There you go. So that's done. And this is how much BNB is left in my MetaMask. And this is going to go all the way to success. So I'll pause the video and let it do that, okay? All right, so you can see that it's received my BNB and it's exchanging it now to BTC. So with change now here, it's the recipient address. Basically, you're specifying where do you want the Bitcoin to go to. right? So this is where you specify, and you can use any exchange. For this particular one, I'm using crypto.com to send my Bitcoin to, and then from there, I'll move it to my bank account. But you could use anything. You could use Kraken, you could use Binance, whatever you want. Binance accepts BNB directly, so you don't even have to exchange it. You could just send BNB, BSC over to Binance, and then put it to your bank account that way. But because actually, even crypto.com even accepts BNB directly. So I didn't even really have to exchange this one. I could have just, sent it directly over to crypto.com. And that's probably how I'll do it next time. But I just want to show you guys, in case your platform, your exchange platform doesn't accept BNB directly, you can swap it to something like Bitcoin or USDT and then send it over to your wallet, your external wallet. All right, so this is almost done. And then, yeah, we'll just wait till that's done. Okay, and my crypto conversion on Change Now from BNB to BSC is completed. See, 0.157 and change in BTC here. If I go to my email, you see that I have an email from crypto.com saying that, I have a pending 0.157 deposit to my BTC wallet. So that's all done, and that's how fast it is to get your money out of baked beans and move it over to your crypto wallet, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, stay blessed. Take care, guys. Bye.